Hello my dear students, welcome to our third video of Geography Chapter 5 Major Domains of the Earth. As we were studying in our previous video about lithosphere and hydrosphere. In this video, we will talk about atmosphere. As you have studied in previous video that the Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases called the atmosphere. Let's talk about this in details. The atmosphere extends up to 1600 kilometers. Based on composition of gases, it is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. And beyond that, there is exosphere. Our atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, which makes up to 99% of clean dry air. Composition of nitrogen in atmosphere is 78%. Second one, oxygen, that is 21%. Carbon dioxide, that is 0.04%. Other gases जिसमें कि मोस्टली आर्गन होता है, दैट इज 0.96%. Carbon dioxide plays a major role in our life. It absorbs the heat radiated by sun and keeps our planet warm. It is also essential for the growth of plants. Density of air. The density of atmosphere varies with height. It is maximum at the sea level and decreases rapidly as we go up. Because of this decreasing density of atmosphere, climbers experience problem in breathing as they go up. यानी कि जैसे जैसे वो ऊंचाई पर जाते हैं उन्हें सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होने लगती है, क्योंकि वहां पर जैसे जैसे ऊंचाई पर बढ़ते हैं हम गैसेस का घनत्व घटता जाता है. So they have to carry with them oxygen cylinder. The temperature also decreases with increase in height. यानी कि जैसे जैसे हम हाइट बढ़ती है वैसे वैसे डेंसिटी ऑफ एयर घटता है और उसी ही तरह से टेम्परेचर भी घटता है. Every after 165 meters, temperature decreases by 1 degree centigrade. Biosphere. The biosphere is a narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet. The entire living organism, including humans, are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. As we have studied about hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. बायोस्फीयर जो है इन तीनों का ही एक पार्ट है जिसमें कि लिविंग बींग्स पाए जाते हैं. द ऑर्गेनिज्म इन द बायोस्फीयर may be broadly divided into the plant kingdom and animal kingdom. The three domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in same way or other. For example, we cut the forest for fulfilling our needs of wood or clear the land for agriculture. This may lead to fast removal of soil from slopes, जिसे हम soil erosion भी कहते हैं. Similarly, Earth's surface may be changed due to natural calamities like earthquake, discharge of waste material into lakes and rivers makes the water unsuitable for human use. It also damages other forms of life. Global warming. Smoke and other waste discharge of factories, thermal power plants and vehicles pollute the air. Carbon dioxide is an important constituent of air, but increase in the amount of CO2, means carbon dioxide, leads to increase in the temperature of the planet. This is called as global warming. So we need to limit the use of resources of the earth to maintain the balance of nature between the domains of lithosphere, the atmosphere, and the hydrosphere. Let's revise. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of gas called atmosphere. The atmosphere extends up to a height of about 1600 kilometers. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature, and other properties. About 99% of clean and dry air in the atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and others comprises 1% by volume. The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water, and air. The three domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or the other. Let's check what you have learned. Question number 1. Which gas is responsible for global warming? Option A, O2, option B, CO2, option C, N2, option D, H2. And your correct answer is option B, CO2, जिसे carbon dioxide. Question number 2. The Arctic Circle passes through option A, Asia, option B, Europe, option C, North America, and option D, all of these. Your correct answer is all of these. Question number 3. The Earth surrounded by a layer of gases is called option A, the lithosphere, option B, the atmosphere, option C, the hydrosphere, and option D, all of these. Your correct answer is option B, the atmosphere. Question number 4. Which gas is the major constituent of the atmosphere by percentage? Option A, oxygen, option B, carbon dioxide, option C, carbon monoxide, option D, nitrogen. And your correct answer is option D, nitrogen. Here are some questions for your homework. Note it down and solve it properly in your notebook. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next video.